I cast no stones, and I build no walls, and I tell the truth. When truth comes to call,